Hi, everybody. In week 3, we'll start looking at literature review strategies to help you find references to base your research proposal on. Hopefully, you've already found a couple of references as you tried to narrow down the wording of your research question. Hang on to all the references you run into that are related to your topic, and definitely get started right away. Don't wait for the later weeks in the semester to start searching the literature on your topic. You want to use literature to inform the various stages of the research proposal development as we move through the semester. So we'll talk about how do you find related literature. And the librarian consultation is extremely helpful for this process, so be sure to set that up and get that done this week as well. You'll complete a literature review worksheet and submit that via the assignment tab, and I'll provide feedback on that. And that will be the first of the research proposal section topics that we'll cover over the next several weeks. Do let me know as you have questions. I'm glad to answer them. And really the best approach is just a slow and steady approach to building your research proposal. I hope you have a great week. Take care.